In this video, we will review the steps needed to change the brightness on your phone screen, as well as the phone's text size. Let us begin with the brightness on your screen. Your phone comes preset with a background light for your screen. However, you might find this light to be too bright or too dim. In order to find the light setting that works best for you, it is helpful to try out different settings. To do this, we need to navigate to the settings portions of your phone. From the home screen, you're going to see the Settings app. Here we see the setting icon is located on the left side of the screen. Your setting icon may be found in a different location, but the icon will look the same, a gray box containing what appears to be machine gears. Once you have found your setting app, tap the gray icon, and this will launch your settings page. From the settings screen, I'm going to scroll down until I see the display and brightness option. Here that option is below the words Control Center and above the home screen option. Once you find your display and brightness option, select that text. Next, we see our first option under Appearance allows us to make our entire screen light or dark. I'm currently using the light option. Let's see what happens when I select the dark option. The background lighting dramatically changes. The second option lets us change the brightness for our current setting. Again, I can make the screen lighter or darker. Now let's scroll down to the text size option. I'm going to select this option, which brings me to this text size page. Here I can scroll horizontally on the gray line located at the bottom of my screen. This will change my default text size. We can see the text size change in real time at the top of the screen. Once you are satisfied with your new text size, simply hit the blue back button on the top left of your screen. This will bring you back to the display and brightness page. Now before we move on, it is important to note changing the font size in your settings may not always change the font size in all of your downloaded apps. Okay, so the last thing I want to show you is how to put your phone on low power mode. If you find yourself always needing to charge your phone, changing the setting will help you preserve some of your phone's battery. From the display and brightness screen, click the blue back button. This will bring us back to the settings main page. Scroll down your screen until you see the word battery. The battery icon is a white battery symbol inside of a green box. Here we see the battery option is underneath the exposure notifications icon and above the privacy icon. Depending how often you update your phone software, your screen options may look the same or be in a different order. As long as you select the battery option, you will be able to set your phone to low power mode. Now I'm going to select the battery icon. This brings me to the battery main page. Here we see our first option is to turn on or off low power mode. In this example, I am not currently using low power mode. In order to use this feature, I simply tap on the toggle button next to the words low power mode. This will move the toggle to the right and a green section will appear. As you can see, the light dims on the screen a little and the battery icon located in the top right portion of the screen changes colors from black to yellow, indicating the low power mode is being used. If you would like to turn this feature off, simply hit the toggle button again and this will revert your phone back to its prior settings. Once you are satisfied with your selection, simply hit the blue settings option on the top right of your screen. This will once again bring you back to your settings main page. From here, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and you will be returned to your home page.